Hello, welcome back to How to Tech Well, offering you easy computer tutorials every single week. Now, have you ever noticed that when watching YouTube videos, the quality changes sometimes? Well, this is because YouTube actually wants to give you the best viewing experience possible. And so cleverly, YouTube adjusts the quality of your video stream from standard definition, such as 240p or 360p, to high definition, which is 720p or 1080p, based on the speed of your internet connection. Now this, of course, can sometimes be really good because it lets you watch the video quicker, or it can be really annoying because you're watching the video in such a poor quality. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to change the playback quality setting, but bear in mind if you have a slow internet connection and you're trying to play the video in a higher quality, then you're going to probably spend a lot of time with the round circle going round waiting for the video to buff. So it might be more worthwhile watching the video in a lower quality or waiting until you have a faster internet speed. So to change it, you need to go to your video. I'm using Taylor Swift's Wildest Dreams right now for this example. And then you go to the cog settings button, which is in the bottom right of the screen. So you click on that button and then you click on quality. And then you select one of these here, the highest one being the highest quality and the one at the bottom being the lowest, and auto being where YouTube automatically selects it for you depending on your internet connection. So I wouldn't recommend watching anything in less than 360p. Below 360p it really becomes quite pixelated and poor, so I would wait until you had a better internet connection. But that is how you change the playback quality. Just to recap, you click on the cogs button down there, then you click on quality and then you select one of these here. So thanks for watching. Please go ahead and leave a comment in the box down below if you found it useful, or if you have any ideas for further videos you'd like me to do, and give this video a massive thumbs up. I really love to see your support, and remember to subscribe to my channel too. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!